Art integrated project of economics on the topic infrastructure certificate acknowledgement. What is infrastructure? Infrastructure refers to all such activities, services and facilities which are needed to provide different kind of service in an economy. Types of infrastructure: economic infrastructure, education, health, sanitation and water supply, housing, social infrastructure, irrigation and power, transport and communication. Importance of infrastructure: point 1, facilitates functioning of the economic. Point 2, agriculture development. Point 3, economic development. Point 4, better quality of life. Point 5, provides employment. State of infrastructure in India. India invests only 5% of its GDP on infrastructure. Only 56% households have electricity connection. 43% still use kerosene. Only 24% rural households have tap water ability. 6% of rural areas. Two important forms of investment in India: BOT, PPP. Health infrastructure include the following: hospitals, doctors, nurses, medical professional beds. Health infrastructure in India indicators 1951 2011. Health infrastructure in private sector 2007: 70% of hospitals, 60% of dispensaries, 80% of outpatients, 46% of inpatients. Indian system of medicine, the heart known as Ayush. Medical tourism advantage in the health sector in India: availability of specialty or expert doctors, better infrastructure, less cost of medical treatment, more paramedical industries, less price of medicines. In the primary level, there is opportunity to treat commonly found diseases only. In the secondary level, hospitals have better facilities like X-ray scanning, specialized doctors, etc. Tertiary level include the service of primary institutions like medical college, which provision quality medical education, conduct research, and specialized function. Tertiary healthcare institution: All India Institute of Medical Science, National Institute of Medical Health and Neuroscience, Regional Cancer Center, Sri Chitra Institute of Medical Science. Urban, rural, and poor rich division India context to 70% of Indian population live in rural areas. Only 20% of hospitals are in rural areas. Rural areas have only 50% of dispensaries. 89% of hospitals beds are in urban areas. PHC in rural areas. Women health. The adverse child sex ratio, preference for male children, and practice of female foeticide, lower female literacy rate. Around 3 lakh unmarried girls under the age of 15 having delivered child at least once. 19% of maternal death contribution by married women between the age group of 15 to 49 is due to anemia and malnutrition. Thank you for watching my video.